Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create list in Google Sheets mobile. Alright, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a table as well, and we're going to add a list to this column, this favorite color column. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the column like this. Then we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then just select data validation. Then make sure that you choose a list of items on this criteria. Okay, and after that we just need to click on the items right here. Then we can put the item. For example, I'm going to put red, and then green, then blue, and orange, and you can add it as much as you want. And after you are done adding the items, you just need to click on save right here to save the row. All right, and if you want to put the item, we just need to tap on this button, then just select the item that you want to add to your cell. And for example, I'm just gonna select green. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a list in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.